A ban feels clean, but history shows it fails. When kidnappings tied to Pogo spiked, Malacanang ordered offshore operators closed in July 2024. 12 months later, police are still raiding rebranded hubs and rescuing staff.
More than 104 nationals arrested by Philippine authorities during a raid on
Philippine authorities capture a fugitive Chinese official of an illegal offshore.
That pattern is familiar. Countries that choose tight regulation over outright bans end up with measurable consumer protection. Take the United Kingdom. GamStop, the countrywide self-exclusion list, now tops 500,000 live blocks. So in the UK, ang GamStop is a national self-exclusion. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng self-exclusion? Mababan ka sa lahat ng online platforms pagka-sign up mo sa GamStop. This is a very good exit strategy pag ayaw mo na talaga. Since October 2021, the UK Gambling Commission has outlawed slot autoplay, capped spin speed at 2.5 seconds, and banned near-win fireworks. All features shown by behavioral research to fuel risky play. Comparing sa mga games dito sa Pilipinas, nakikita nyo yung autoplay. Ibig sabihin, isang pindot lang, mag-spin yan automatically for 10, 20, ikaw ang magsiset. So ano nga bang lagay sa Pilipinas ngayon? None of those tools is standard here. Self-exclusion is a paper form filed at a land-based casino. It never reaches online sites. Senator Win Gatchalian's July 2025 draft Online Gambling Regulation Act would block GCash and Maya deposits and impose a 10,000 peso minimum cash-in. The intent is protective. The flaw is obvious. 20 peso bettors will simply reroute to offshore platforms. The bill also leaves credit card funding, gambling on utang, untouched. Okay naman yung kay Senator Win. Pero yung 10,000 peso minimum deposit, masyadong mataas yun. Alam naman natin karamihan na naglalaro, yung mga nasa middle or even lower. Napanood nyo naman siguro yung nag-viral na jeepney driver habang namamasada, nagsispin-spin-spin ng reels. Magkano lang ba tinataya nun? 20-20, di ba? So ngayon, kung magkakaroon tayo ng limit na 10,000, ang mamamayagpag yung mga black market or yung mga illegal na sugalan. Kasi sila yung tatanggap ng mga ganong kaliliit na deposit. Over in the House, the Jokno Akbayan kontra Isugal Act proposes a digital self-exclusion list, loss limit rules, and heavy ad controls. Solid na solid features but still waiting for committee debate. Pero self-exclusion list, parang wala pa. Pero nakita ko sa mga tineskong websites, parang papunta na dun. Sa ngayon kasi, mano-mano pa lahat. Meron yung National Self-Exclusion List, pero maganda i-pattern natin dun sa GamStop. Maganda, ito ay strictly enforced on all sites, on all gambling sites, para solid yung protection ng mga manlalaro.